Hey guys, it's Istebrak. So I just finished my recent painting, The Grey Witch. I've been working on it for a couple of nights now. This is the fourth and final night. If you're interested in seeing the process behind it, my inspiration, my references that I used, how I used Portrait Studio, the PSD, the JPEG, all of the content, as well as the time-lapse video with commentary, and you have access to Discord and the private streams for the Discord homework assignments. They're all available on Patreon. So if you're interested in joining on Patreon, go to patreon.com/Istebrak, and you can join as an apprentice to get all that access. And there's also brushes, the brushes I used, everything is also offered to apprentices. It was kind of like a spontaneous creation process. It really just happened suddenly. I wasn't really planning on having an illustration done. I did plan on doing a study in grayscale, but I finally decided to take a hand at some color, and it kind of just all exploded at the same time. I have been delaying color for a long time, working in grayscale for a long time, and I think it's been practice well spent, but it's time for me to try some illustrations, masterpieces, and I'll go back into the study mentality soon after. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you guys in our streams. Bye!